Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Cahsapp account using your phone number. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cahsapp application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken into the home page from which you will directly be asked to log in to your account. Now, if you don't have an account already, you will be able to use the same page in order to sign up. Now, to log in using your phone number, you will see that phone login is already selected by default. So just tap on the country code section first and then enter your country code. Once you enter your country code, you can follow through with your phone number. After typing in your phone number, tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. Just check your inbox and you will find the verification code, which you will need to enter in the next screen. After entering this verification code, just tap on the next button and you will be logged into your account right away, and you will also have the options to set up your PIN code and your biometrics. Now remember that this method will only work if you originally created your account using your phone number. If you used your email address, then this method will not work, as you have not registered your phone number with your Cahsapp account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.